In today's episode, we're doing the Christmas home tour. So if you're interested in seeing everything that came together, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I am completing my series on the 12 days of Christmas. On the first day we had the coffee station. Day 2 we had the winter fireplace collaboration. Day 3 we had cleaning and decorating the china cabinet. On day 4 we had the front porch decor. Day 5 we had a touch of gold, the formal dining room table. Day 6 we did the stair rails and the entryway table. Day 7 we did the kitchen tray. Day 8 we did the small touches in the kitchen. Day 9 we did the breakfast nook. Day 10 we did the 2 smaller trees. And day 11 we did the coffee table styling. And here we are at day 12. We're doing the full house tour, including the 9-foot Christmas tree. So if you're interested in seeing all the things put together, you know what to do. Stick around. Well, what I did was I made changes. Now I added some silver snowflakes under the hanging lights outside. At night, when the light is shining on them, they sparkle, so they do well at night. And then I made a few changes on the front. Of course, you know I added the star to the tree. I shared that with you. And now I added the bow on the front of the tree, which makes it look so much better. My girl got a little bit more flowers added to her hair, but everything else predominantly stayed the same. There's that gorgeous garland that I hung up to make it all look complete. And then you see my Kappa man with his hat on. Gorgeous. My girl, she always has her hair done. And see how that bow makes that tree looks a whole lot better. I really love that bow, and at night that garland shines up so pretty when it's lit at night. And then we have the snowman on the front door and my welcome mat. So let's go in. Now we're starting here in the front in the touch of gold room. This formal dining room is dedicated to my mother. She loved the colors of gold and cream or gold and white at Christmas time. So of course I have the room all done up in gold. Now if you haven't seen this video of me doing this, I will include the videos for all of these rooms down below. Now on to the entryway tables and the stairwells. Now I did add more flowers to the vase here in the niche, I think it looks a lot better with these added touches of flowers. Let me know down below what you think of the added touch of flowers. I think it looks a lot better. Now we're looking at the second table and the mirror in the entryway. And the next room we're going to go to, we're going to my kitchen. Now I did put a few touches on my bar cart. All I did was added the blue placemat with the snowflakes, blue glasses, my snowman sign to make it go with the theme of the snowman in the house. you know I had to put copper somewhere. And on the bottom level, I put my thankful sign because I'm thankful because we made it through this year gracefully. Now on to the family room. And now that we're leaving the bar cart in the breakfast area, we are putting this 9-foot tree together. I like the colors that I chose. I chose blue, silver, and white for this tree. And I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Now after the decorating of it all, I will share with you the family room. Now I did add a little bit more garland to the fireplace to thicken it up some. And I think the touches add nice. Now the pillow covers that you see here, all the pillow covers came from Amazon. And on the end table I have the white snowflake. That came from Hobby Lobby years ago. And then the snowflake behind it came from General Dollar on clearance for 14 cents. Yes. And the white poinsettias, the white poinsettias came from Dollar Tree years ago, so I've had them for a while. As I said, and the light blue throw, that came from Amazon as well. I'm really liking my snowman pillow covers. They went perfect with my theme for this year. Now we are closely coming to the end of this episode of my Christmas home tour for 2023. I really enjoyed coming up with this tree this year, including adding a kappa ball ornament on my tree for my husband, and also adding a Sigma Gamma Rho ornament for my daughter. I really enjoyed it, and for each individual video for the rooms, I will have them included down below in the description and as well in an iCard. Now please let me know what you think of my Christmas tour for this year and each room. I hope you enjoyed this episode because I really enjoyed coming up with the ideas, and as always, I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.